Hey, Jonas here from Peg Leg Speed Shop. Today is day 8 of Motorcycle Cannonball 2023. Day 8 is our day off. We're chilling out here. We got Johnsonville brats cooking over there. It's also the first day of Oktoberfest, hence the entire. We'll be playing some polkas later. So spirits are high in Team 36. We've had 4 good days in a row right now. So stages 4, 5, 6, and 7 completed whole days on our new bike Salvatore here. Today, we're doing maintenance. We're draining all the fluids. We check the valves, and we're doing all the nightly maintenance to get the batteries charged. We changed out back to the single up seat. We're going to put some highway pegs on this bike. So this bike will be ready to go this afternoon for tomorrow's departure on day 9, which is stage 8 effectively, where we ride to the far side of Kansas. Next day we ride into Colorado Springs, and the next day is the big day where we get up over the mountains. As far as yesterday's ride goes, it's a good solid ride. There were a bunch of detours, so what was supposed to be about 270 miles turned out to be just over 300 for me with those detours and one wrong turn. It took me down a town road about 5 miles. I had to turn around and come back, catch the turn. We had some close calls yesterday. One of our friends riding a French-built Griffin little motorcycle. He had a pretty bad crash. He's okay. His bike will be back on the road tomorrow, but there was that happened right in front of me again. Another pair of riders made a wrong turn at the construction and turning around, took out each other's running boards and a couple parts, so they're fixing right now. I had a close call yesterday. I was thinking about coming around a car to pass, and just as I was about to pull into the passing lane on a really small town road, a pickup truck came by me doing somewhere between 80 and 90 miles an hour. It's just ridiculous. So there are some frustrated drivers out there that catch up to our pack of bikes, and some of the bikes go a lot slower. There's some bikes that can only go 30 miles an hour, and we're seeing some motorists get frustrated with us, which is unfortunate, but so far everybody's okay. We're okay. The bike is running wonderfully, and we're really excited to get back on the road tomorrow. Thank you. So just like us, we're doing a whole bunch of maintenance on the bike today. You can see in the parking lot behind me today, there are about 80 motorcycles participating in this Motorcycle Cannonball 2023. And every single one of those 80 motorcycles is doing things like changing chains, checking primaries, repacking wheel bearings, adjusting valves, pulling heads off. Everybody's doing something.
You got 5 bolts. You got the 4 nuts on the bottom, and you'll have 1 bolt over on the side over here. Okay,
over here?
Yeah, there's the little L-shaped bracket on the frame.
Okay,
There's a 9/16 head bolt under it. It's right under here.
Okay.
You can see on the frame there, it's got the little 90-degree tab.
Oh yeah, yep. Okay, so 5, yep.
Yep, there's 5.
So loosen those.
4 of them are on studs, and they'll be nuts. That one's a bolt.
Okay.
So you loosen those 5.
Then I see this adjustment here.
Right, that's your adjuster. So you're backing it out, which will shove the transmission forward.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So you don't need to move it a whole lot, but just loosen those up, give it a couple of flats, and then I'll usually tighten 2 on the diagonal back, and then I check. Once I'm happy, then I tighten all 5.
Okay.
But you can't just check by adjusting this and leaving the stuff on the bottom loose.
You gotta
because when you tighten the bottom, it'll affect the chain tension.
Okay.
So just do 2 of them, 2 diagonal ones.
All right. And then
check
we
it.
do the rear wheel.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. All right.
I'm here with Jonas. You guys know Jonas?
Yep.
Peg Leg Speed Shop.
Yep.
He likes Harleys, but he really loves Indians. That's why he's over hanging out with the Indians.
Yes, I do like Indians. So Alex is here. He had a big day yesterday that ended with this. And it's supposed to look more like this. Okay, so this is bad. This is good.
There's the valve.
Oh my gosh.
So the valve, if you look, I don't know if you guys can zoom in, see on the camera. See all that blackness there? That's where the valve had already been broken, and it was just hanging on by that last little bit.
Oh my.
So yesterday was the lucky day that the valve decided to
let go.
Come away.
Yeah.
Anyhow, yeah, so unfortunately when this grenaded, all the pieces and little parts of all this fell down, went in the crankcase, so I had to pull the crankcase all apart and take that all got super lucky because the bottom end, all of our bearings, you can even see how nice my my crank pin and everything is actually in really, really good condition. We didn't damage any of that, but obviously grenaded the piston and valve and all that. So I got a couple extra pistons trying to figure out. I got rings. Here's the end of that. This is the valve where it came loose, you can see.
Yep.
So this is supposed to seat in there like so, and that came right off. So anyhow, luckily I got parts. I got extra cylinder head. Let me get here's the cylinder head that was on there. You can see in here all the markings where this was banging around.
Yep.
But luckily it didn't hurt the head at all. You know, I mean, it's got some marks in it, but it's not in the world. The cylinder, you can also see it was banged around in there. There's some little marking, but you know, honestly, that doesn't really hurt anything. It'll burn a little more oil, not a big deal.
Yep.
I have an extra cylinder just in case, but I'm going to go ahead and run that one again.
And it's a 1912 Indian.
1912. Yeah, single, and we had perfect score for 7 days, so about 30 miles out. So,
all right.
But, you know, hey, stuff happens. This is a Cannonball. One thing I've always prided myself on is everything on this bike is 1912. There's nothing. I'm running the original wheels, tires, magneto, carburetor, the whole deal. And you know, if you think about it, you play with something that's 111 years old. Eventually, something fails. So you know, but we're having fun. Everybody's got a smile on their face, and it's all good.
Ride it hard, Alex.
Yeah,
right.
Good deal.
Thank you.
See ya.
What you doing, Christine? Put a sticker on. Oh, a sticker! Yay. For which one?
This is for stage 7.
Stage 7. Yay! Woo!
Yes, son. Ignition's off. We do 3 prime kicks. Switch on. It's really raining now.
Yep.